Hi, welcome to part 2 of this build series. We left off here with the infill of the foundation. Here one of the workers further compacts the soil while others tidy up the overspill. Meantime, we take the opportunity to prepare the platform next door for the next house build. This is so we can keep the concrete team busy while the roof is being added. It also minimises noise and dust for someone who might be living in the house if it's sold quickly. Back to the first house, the pipework and tanks are installed before the concrete pour. These bottles are marking the edges of the rebar. This is for when the concrete's poured so the guys know where not to step when they're smoothing it over.
So that you see the label from the marks from the bottle. It's pretty good, eh? It's pretty good. So it's bit ready for tomorrow.
The camera works a little more shaky this time because I went on a 10-day bike trip and my wife and the builder Jack were good enough to take this video for me so I didn't miss the process steps. But they don't have rock steady mode on their phones like I do on the drone or the cameras.
สำรวจงานเหรอคะสวยมากเลยสวยมากเลยนะคะถ้าพี่นายอยู่เราวิ่งโดรนแล้วนี่แค่หักไปอยู่
Next we wrap the pillars. This prevents too rapid evaporation leading to cracks.
เรียบร้อยครับโครงสร้างทำความสะอาดครับเคลียร์พื้นที่เตรียมหลังคาเช็คแนวเสาครับโอ้โหหายเลยครับหายเลยครับแนวนี้ป่ะครับ หายเลยครับมิดเลยครับแนวเสาฝีมือมาตรฐานงานรับประกัน
And finally, we're ready for the roof. So the next part of this series will show the roof building process. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye now.